So I'm going to eliminate the background now, and this will be part 3. I'll activate the background layer, and we see the white means that there are pixels here. We want to get rid of that, make it clear. That would be the background, and then we're going to merge it with layer 1, which was the painting of the hands. So to do that, I'm going into the magic wand tool. Since the background is white, I can use the magic wand tool to select the background and then go into select and just inverse. So now we've got the monster selected. And I can copy the monster and paste it into a new layer. I can now merge down layer 1 to layer 2, and I have both layer 1 and layer 2 now in one layer with no background. At this point, I will open the poster backdrop and arrange to have 2 up verticals so that it's next to the monster. Activate the monster and just drag layer 2, which is the monster which we selected previously without the background, drag it over to the poster. Now we can work on positioning the monster, but first I have to erase the bottom part using the eraser tools so that it fits properly. And I'm just going to brush out on that layer, which is layer 1 now, in the background, the poster file. Just brush it out. And some of this outlining that came with it. Now let's move it down to position it with the hands just above the text. So that seems to work. Get a little better there. Okay. Seems to work pretty good. And we can get rid of the Franken layer. And the rest we're going to do on the poster itself. So let's stop here.